Happy New Year, guys. So, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off this new year by a little bit of honesty. Not that I'm not honest with you guys, I'm honest with you guys all the time. But last year, I actually wanted to quit YouTube. I genuinely wanted to quit being an influencer in general because this is actually my 10th year of doing this, creating content online. And after a while you kind of start to like look at things and you're like, is this something that I enjoy doing and would I want to do this long term? Like you start to kind of think different, especially now that I'm entering my 34th year. I keep thinking to myself like, what is this thing I'm doing going to amount to? I'm not gonna lie though, you guys being so supportive of my last couple of videos and honestly me being able to like use my voice and take a break before the new year started really helped me to get clarity on what I want to do and where I want to go this year. Honestly, I'm my most authentic self right now and I'm proud of where I've come. I'm proud of who I am now and I genuinely just want to create because this is my form of expression. I think along the way, especially after becoming a mom, I had to basically put myself together again and understand what really I love and what makes me tick. And one thing that I started realizing was I started demeaning my love for beauty and all things makeup because I just felt like it was superficial and it wasn't just something that I felt as though I wanted to do as much until I realized that this is actually something I genuinely love to do. Like, I do this regardless of if I was getting paid, even if this wasn't something that I used to do, I would do this anyway. And I'm a strong believer in this life that we live is all about doing what you love. Not everybody will feel the same, but for me, I feel like that's what fuels me. I'm the happiest when I'm creating and I'm able to be just like all over the place, to be honest. Not even just creating and being so put together, which is why I really challenged myself the last couple of videos to like not have it set up and just be in my car because I realized that at the end of the day, like this is whatever I choose to put on my channel is what I choose to put on my channel. And honestly, my makeup has changed a lot. Even though you guys, I know that I haven't really been doing a lot of makeup tutorials, I have started doing my makeup a little bit differently. Like I underpaint now and, just learning a few techniques here and there. And I would just honestly love to hear from you guys. What do you guys, I know you guys love the car chats. That's never going away. I love the car chats also because it's a way to keep me consistent, especially in those times where I don't really feel like doing anything but talking because I realize that the balance that I'm striving for is not really work-life balance, is the balance between me being in therapy and talking to friends and doing things personally versus doing things publicly. And honestly, I've shared most of what you guys need to know and I'm all again still going to be doing think pieces. And honestly, I've been thinking a lot about bringing back my podcast, if we're being real, this year. So I'm just trying to like put together and figure out where everything fits because I feel like as a creative, the thing that we do a lot of times is like we're unable to find our footing because we just want to do so much. And for me, that is my biggest strength but also my biggest weakness because sometimes it stops me from doing it all. Like, for example, I had recorded a different video for the first video of the year and I was like, oh, should I do a car chat? Should I do this? But I feel like because I was overthinking quite a lot, I was like, you know what? Why don't you just do something chill? If you wake up every day striving to inspire somebody, teach somebody something, I feel like that is very fulfilling for me. I've noticed that, being able to bond with you guys over life experiences, but also being able to bond with you guys over like how you look and how to take care of yourself. I feel like this year is just going to be an amazing year for all things self-care, all things beauty, and I'm just really excited. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you want to see in the new year, and I will talk to you guys next video. Don't forget, new video is dropping every Friday.